Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Linear Inequalities exercise 6.1 question number 26. Let's see the question. A man wants to cut 3 lengths from a single piece of a board of length 91 centimeter. The second length is to be 3 centimeter longer than the shortest. So if we take let the shortest length be x, length be x. The total length of the board is 91 centimeter. They want to cut it into 3 different pieces. The second length is 3 centimeter more than the shortest. So that means we have taken the shortest to be x. So the second length will be, the second length they have given the condition to be 3 centimeter more than the shortest. Now, and the third length is to be twice as long as the shortest. So the third length will be twice as old as the shortest. Now what are the possible length of the shortest board if the third piece is at least 5 centimeter longer than the second? So we have we know two conditions, that the total length of the board is 91 centimeter. The other thing is the shortest board. What are the possible length of the shortest board if the third piece is to be at least 5 centimeter longer than the shortest one? That means the shortest board should be, it can be 5 centimeter longer than the second one. At least means that length or more than that length. So we can take the equation for the third one as the third piece to be 2x. The third piece is 2x. So it can be at least, means it can be the same or more than that, more than the 5 centimeter longer than the second one. Here the second one is x plus 3 plus 5. The condition given here is third length, it can be the same of this length, or at least means that length or more than that length. So it can be more than the second one plus 5 centimeter longer than the second one. Here is x plus 3. Now bring everything to x to one side. So 2x minus x is greater than or equal to 8. Here x is greater than or equal to 8. So in the first condition we have got x is greater than or equal to 8. Now in the second one we know that the total length is 91 centimeter. It can be, there is a change of a length. It can be this length or it can be of any length more than this, means there is a change of length. We can, but it will not exceed more than 91, because the total length of the board is 91 centimeter. It can't exceed more than 91 centimeter. So we can take, by adding all this, we know this will be our length. So x plus 3 plus 2x can't exceed more than 91. So it can be less than or equal to 91. The total length can be equal to 91 or it can be less than 91, because there is a change in the x value of the third piece. Now let us find x in this way. Here it becomes 4x is less than or equal to 91 minus 3. If I bring 3 to this side, it is minus 3. So 4x is less than or equal to 88. X is less than or equal to 88 divided by 4. So x is less than or equal to 22. Now we have found that x can be of less than or equal to 22. X can be greater than or equal to 8. That means the length of x, that is the shorter length, which is x, can be from 8 to 22. It can't exceed from 22. It can't be less than 8. So it can be from 8 to 22. Therefore you can write the answer to be the shortest board can be greater than or equal to 8 and should be less than or equal to 22. That means x can be greater than or equal to 8, less than or equal to 22. This can be your final answer. This will be your shortest length of the sum, shortest length of the board. That's all with the sum. Thank you.